Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm unboxing and testing out the 22-inch Ryobi Cordless Hedge trimmer. This is part of Ryobi's 18-volt 1 Plus system. So if you already have their batteries, it'll work right in. Let's open it up and see what comes in the box. And then I'll take you outside and show you how it performs on some bushes in my front yard. I'm not a landscaper or anything. I'm just going to be using this here for normal use at my house. I have a few bushes in the front that this will be good for. I like this hedge sweep here too. That's the model that I bought. I specifically got for that because I think that's going to help kind of help me keep things organizing as I go to clean up, and it'll sweep and push the cut branches as I cut them. But we'll see here in just a second when I start to cut. So yeah, this thing's pretty cool. It's lightweight. It's got a good grip to it. Kind of got a softer grip to it. I like that it has this blade guard here that you can take off and on after you use it. And yeah, so anyway, I got a full battery charged here. Let's try this thing out. Overall, this tool is pretty awesome. Got the job done here at my house. And if you have any questions or comments, just please leave them down there in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe. I would really appreciate it. And thanks again for watching. See you in the next video.